Hey guys, it's Joey and welcome to my channel. I am going to be planning today in my Erin Condren. I am planning my last month in this planner, and it is going to be for the month of June. I am using this kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs. It is absolutely adorable. I love it so much. I think it is gives me all the summer vibes. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I am not planning on really having a ton of stuff to do this month. I say that, and then I think it's probably going to end up being kind of busy. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to just lay down the top part and kind of put down the bones of the kit. And then once I get that down, I'm going to plan on just kind of putting in the dates of the most important things that I know are coming up. This year, I switched over to a neutral design, so I won't be having the top part right here where it goes off of the page. I won't be having to deal with that this next year, which I'm so excited about because I just really hated that part. I love my planner, but I really hated to have to every single month kind of look at that. So I'm excited to not have that happen this next year. I am a Sunday start kind of gal for my monthly, but my weekly, I enjoy Monday starts. So you would think that would be confusing, but I guess I'm pretty used to it by now, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, so I'm going to be putting down my days at the top. The nice thing about Sweet Kawaii Designs is that Tasia does a nice job of letting you choose what you want as far as the start of your month. That's why she leaves the days separate and not actually printed on this part, because then if you wanted to have a Monday start on your calendar for the month, then you could, and it would be completely fine. It's up to you. But then I don't know, I'm so used to my monthly being a Sunday start, it's never really bothered me to have it any other way. I do like to use the little numbers that she gives. I know sometimes people don't always use these, but I think they're so adorable and they always like coincide with whatever the theme is for the month. So yeah, it's adorbs. I love it. So once I get the bones of this down, I will come back in and kind of just briefly put in the plans that I have. If you are new here, welcome. I am a planner channel, obviously. I do pretty much all things planner related and memory keeping related. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then I invite you to hit subscribe down below. That way you can keep seeing these kinds of videos come your way. I like to lay down all of these numbers and then I come back and Tasia gives you like these silly, well, they're not all silly. They're just like upcoming holidays or like the not so familiar holidays. And so that is something I've always enjoyed putting down in all of my monthlies. This is where I always get frustrated with myself because there are days that I need to come back in and I don't know why I don't think about it ahead of time, but Father's Day is also my dad's birthday. So I want to put a box there. I don't know. I just never think to put the boxes down beforehand. So the 19th is down and it is my dad's birthday. And it is Father's Day, which is great. But I'll come back. Oh, summer begins. That's a fun one. Today was a really fun day. My son Logan is 9 and he got baptized at our church today. So we've had a really fun filled day afterwards. We kind of just went and had dinner with my parents and, you know, then it's been just kind of a nice day afterwards, and we got home later in the afternoon and it's beautiful outside, so we decided to go to the pool in our neighborhood. Ooh, look at that, rotisserie chicken day. I can get on board for that. I do like some rotisserie chicken. Anyway, oh, and cheese day. I love cheese, so that's okay. So anyways, but today's been really fun. It's been nice. We've been outside a lot, and I took a walk. Which was still very nice, but I'm having some hip issues. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really not that old. I feel like I'm not that old, but maybe, I don't know. I feel like I move like an 80-year-old right now. But I wanted to get out and take a walk because it was so beautiful, and it was definitely too nice to not enjoy. So, ooh, peanut butter cookie day. That would be my husband's favorite. He loves a peanut butter cookie. So, yeah, I put all these fun little, unknown holidays or fun holidays on here. So I just think they're super cute. Fudge day. Yes, please. Eat your veggies. I'm gonna straighten this number out because it's bugging me. It didn't really straighten out that much. Splurge day. Oh, my husband would not like that. He would be like, I think you splurge enough. Number one, Dad. I'm gonna put this one up here in the corner. And then it's like a vanilla milkshake day the day after. That's fun. And first day of summer, I'll put that up in the corner as well. So I like to leave enough room for whatever comes up. I can just kind of like log it as we go throughout the month. I don't always, but I try to. Let's put it that way. That's cute. Summer giving. I've never heard of that. Obviously. I guess it's like Thanksgiving, but for summer? I don't know. So weird. Coconut day. There's a Paul Bunyan day. I like the sunglasses. Those are cute. I'm gonna stick it right there. And then social media day. That's a new one. Okay. So, paydays. I'm just going to put up in the top corner. There. And oh, there go my dogs. Somebody opened the door. They lose their minds every time. I don't know what to think. Why does that door open? Anyway, there you go. All right, and I'm just gonna hold on to the rest of these. So this is my monthly. I don't really have, other than my dad's birthday and the first day of summer and Father's Day. Oops, sorry, knocked that. I don't really have anything else. Dad's big day. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys take a look at this fun little monthly spread. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys use Sweet Kawaii Design? Have you ever visited her shop? It's amazing. If you have any questions for me, just leave them below and I'll try to get back to you. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.